After the age of 50, the skin starts losing collagen quickly, because of which wrinkles, dryness, and loose skin start to appear. Some special creams only fix it temporarily from the outside, but they don't solve the real problem. So today, I will tell you 8 such natural remedies that reactivate fibroblast cells, help increase collagen and ceramides, repair the lipid barrier, and make the skin tight, hydrated, and healthy without expensive creams or overhyped products. So let's see all of them in detail. Number 1. Bone broth and seeds. After 50, the skin quickly loses its collagen, which causes wrinkles, dryness, and slight sagging. The most powerful natural solution for this problem is using bone broth daily like a tonic, which strengthens the skin from inside. Drink 1 cup of warm bone broth on an empty stomach in the morning and mix 1 teaspoon ground flax seeds, 1 teaspoon black sesame seeds. The hydrolyzed collagen in bone broth reaches the dermis and make the skin tight and healthy. Flax seeds and sesame seeds repair the lipid barrier and protect collagen from breaking. With daily use, in 3 days, hydration starts increasing. In 1 week, roughness reduces. In 2 weeks, skin becomes thicker and stronger. And in 30 days, you feel a clear difference. Fewer lines, fuller cheeks, and a more defined jawline. In the beginning, slight headache or warmth may be felt. This is normal. Drink it on an empty stomach at least 30 minutes before breakfast and do not take it with coffee. Use real bones and slow cooked broth. Avoid processed powders. Consistency is very important. Collagen takes 45 to 60 days to rebuild. Remedy number 2. Egg white and lemon. Second is a tightening mask of egg white, lemon juice, and glycerin. Egg white is a powerful source of protein because it contains albumin, which is made of small molecules that can support collagen formation. Lemon juice softens and removes dead cells. Lemon juice softens and removes dead skin, allowing new cells to come to the surface. Glycerin locks moisture inside and reduces dryness and tightness. To make it, beat 1 egg white until slightly foamy. Add 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Apply on clean, slightly damp skin for 20 minutes, then wash with cold water. Within minutes, the face feels tight. Using it 3 times a week for 2 weeks, people feel their jawlines become firmer, forehead lines softer, and under-eye sagging reduced. After 1 month, the difference is clearly visible even in photos. Remedy number 3. Banana and turmeric mask. Next is banana, yogurt, and turmeric mask, which many people ignore, but it is very powerful. The upper layer of skin is made of dead cells, ceramides, and natural oils. When this layer breaks, wrinkles become deeper. This mask works in 3 ways. Banana is rich in silica and strengthens collagen. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which removes dead skin and boosts new cell growth. Turmeric contains curcumin, a strong natural anti-inflammatory. To make it, mash half a ripe banana, add 1 tablespoon of yogurt, add half teaspoon of turmeric. Apply for 15 minutes, then wash. Turmeric can leave color, so use it at night. This remedy makes skin smoother and more elastic in a few days. Remedy number 4. Pine nuts and honey. Pine nut oil or butter with a little raw honey strengthens the skin from inside. Pine nuts contain a special fatty acids that converts into anti-inflammatory compounds and reaches the dermis, where collagen and lipid layer exists. This does not just soften from outside but strengthens the skin from inside. Eat 1 teaspoon pine nut butter with a little raw honey in the breakfast. This improves hydration, elasticity, and reduces water loss, making skin soft and youthful. Remedy number 5. Rice water and honey rinse. Rice water and honey rinse is commonly known for making skin bright and soft. Rice water contains inositol that helps repair damaged cells, and honey locks moisture in the upper layer. But the reality is, both mostly work on the surface. They maintain skin but do not deeply rebuild collagen or fully repair the lipid barrier. Still, it is a good support for smoother and healthier looking skin. Remedy number 6, walnut oil and rosehip oil. Walnut oil and rosehip oil mixture is considered liquid gold for aging skin. It contains omega-3 fatty acids that strengthen the lipid barrier, and rosehip oil has vitamin A which supports new cell growth. Use only 2 to 3 drops on slightly damp skin and gently tap it on. It makes skin soft and prevents further damage, but deep wrinkles may not fully go away. Remedy number 7, flaxseed gel. Flaxseed gel is very beneficial for the skin. When flax seeds are boiled in water, they form a thick gel rich in omega-3. This reduces redness and repairs small cracks in the lipid barrier. To make it, boil 2 tablespoons flax seeds in 1 cup water for 10 minutes and strain and cool. Apply for 20 minutes, then wash. It gives instant tightness but mostly temporary hydration. Regular use is needed for better results. Remedy number 8, aloe vera, vitamin E and olive oil. Lastly, use aloe vera, vitamin E and olive oil mask. Aloe vera contains a compound that activates fibroblast cells, which produce collagen. Vitamin E protects from damage and olive oil nourishes deeply. To make it, take 1 tablespoon fresh aloe gel, add 5 drops of vitamin E oil, add 1 teaspoon of olive oil, apply on clean, slightly damp skin for 30 minutes, then wash. Do not use market aloe gel, use fresh leaf. This makes skin soft, healthy and glowing. These remedies do not just fix the skin from outside, they help rebuild it from inside. With regular use, your skin becomes stronger, smoother and more youthful naturally. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.